the railroad. Milepost 225.7, no defects. Temperature -23. Out.
B&M detector, mileage 7.8. Checking train. No defects. Transmission over. BNF detector, Hopewell subdivision, mile 23.6. No defects. Speed 1 mph. Total axles 190. Temperature 46 degrees. Detector out. Central Oregon and Pacific detector, milepost 641.6. Track 1 detector working. Central Oregon and Pacific detector, milepost 641.6. Track 1 detector working. Central Oregon and Pacific detector, milepost 641.6. Track 1 detector working.
CP detector, mile 11.6, Brooks 4 degrees. Axle 560, no alarms. Mile 11.6 out. CP detector, mile 81.9, Thompson 4 degrees. Axle 660, no alarms. Mile 81.9 out. Conrail, high car, detector, CP482, Chesterton, Indiana, no defects. Total axle count, 27. Over.
CSX, equipment defect detector, milepost 825.5. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. Train length 8. Niner 7. Speed 3. 8. End of transmission. CSX, equipment defect detector, milepost 847.7. CSX, equipment defect detector, milepost 847.7. No defects. No defects. Total axle 166. Train length 374.3. Speed 5.8. End of transmission. CSX, equipment defect detector, milepost 888.8. No defects. No defects. Total axle 40. Train length 806. Speed 80. End of transmission.
CSX detector, milepost Niner 11.2. CSX detector, milepost Niner 11.2. B34, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 36. Detector out. X detector, milepost 952.1. X detector, milepost 952.1. Speed 78, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 48. Length 971. Detector out. ER milepost 88.0. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Detector out.
FEC, equipment defect detector, milepost 21.1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 364. Train length 8558. End of transmission. FECWILE. Detector, milepost 26. Track 1. No defects. FECWILE. Detector, milepost 26. Track 1. No defects. Detector out. EC, equipment defect detector, milepost 346.3. East track, no defects. No defects. Total axle 180. End of transmission.
Detector at milepost 25.6. Speed 37. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 104. Total cars 25. Temperature 67. Length 1569. Detector out. Milford Rail System. Milepost 264.1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Temperature 47. Detector out. 6 East Kingston out.
Iowa Interstate. Milepost 199.1. No defect. Total axle 416. Temperature 35. Detector out.
KCS detector, milepost 364.9. Proceed. KCS detector, milepost 364.9. Proceed. Total axle 248. Speed 34. Train is eastbound. Detector out. L and I, equipment defect detector, north, milepost 24.5. L and I, equipment defect detector, north, milepost 24.5. No defects. No defects. Total axle 5.2. Total cars 1.3. Train length 5.32. Speed 40. End of transmission.
Detector at milepost 24.4. Detector at milepost 24.4. Speed 13. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 234. Total cars 58. Temperature 32. Length 3314. Detector out. Detector at milepost 8.8. Detector at milepost 8.8. Speed 23. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 234. Total cars 58. Temperature 32. Length 3288. Detector out.
META detector, milepost 37.4. Track 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 28 out.
Metrolink detector, milepost 7.7. Track number 171. Miles per hour. No defects. No defects.
MNA Railroad detector, milepost 352.4. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 5.2. Train length 650 feet. Temperature 59 degrees out.
Metro North Railroad. Milepost 39.8. No defects. Detector out. NJ Rail. Milepost 29.4. Track 1. No defects. Detector out. CMYK. Detector. Milepost 142.0. No defects. Total axle 196. Detector out.
OERX detector, milepost 19.8. Track 1, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 28. Train length 438 feet. Speed 34 out. NR detector, milepost 4.9. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 82.
Total cars 2, 0. Train length 1,449 feet. Speed 3, 3. Temperature 8, 6 degrees out. Northern Railway detector. Mile 5, 6.5. Railway trend. Total axle 294. Low alarm. P and L Railway detector milepost 103.5. No defects. Train length 4943 feet. Speed 25. Temperature 81 degrees out.
Milepost 410.9. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4.2. Temperature 6 degrees. Length 506.
N.W. Railroad. Thompson. No defect. Total axle count 144. Train speed 2 miles per hour. Over.
County Liquor Dispatch at WLNO, sorry by the hot box, 0445, Thompson, no defect, over. 445.
Reading and Northern Detector, milepost 166.7, track 1, no defects.
Saginaw Bay Southern Railway detector. Milepost 6.1. Saginaw Bay Southern Railway detector. Milepost 6.1. No defects. Length of train 2432. Train speed 23. Total axles 182. End of transmission. CAX Railroad detector. Milepost 32.9. Track 2. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 2.8. Speed 3.8 out.
SFRTA detector. Milepost 1009.1. Track main 1. SFRTA detector. Milepost 1009.1. Track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 20. Detector out. SFRTA detector. Milepost 973.2. Track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 16. Detector out. SFRTA detector. Milepost 991.5. Track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 20. Detector out.
UP detector, milepost 256.7. No defects. Total axle 250. Train speed 26. MPH detector out.
Milepost 142.6. Speed 30. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 232. Temperature 47. Length 3763. Detector out.
WNLE detector. Milepost 69.5. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 460 out. Seaboard Railroad, Centona, Alabama. No defects. Total axles 384. Seaboard Railroad detector. Milepost 143.7. Checking train movement. Seaboard Railroad detector. Milepost 143.7. No defects. axle 552. Seaboard Railroad, detector, milepost 241.0, no defect, total axle 552.
Boston and Maine, milepost 1544. Stop your train. Stop your train. First, high load, axle 1, total axle 384. Train too slow. Detector malfunction.
Boston and Maine, mileage 144.5 North Adams, no defect. Boston and Maine, mileage 144.5 North Adams, no defect. B&M detector, mileage 7.8, checking train, no defects. Transmission over. Boston and Maine, Hudson River Bridge, westward track, no defect. Boston and Maine, Hudson River Bridge, westward track, no defect.